But before we get into our unboxing, I have like one show and tell item for you today. This is a 3D printed deck box of a replica of the card from Duskmoor called The Haunted Screen. And it's very reminiscent of like 80s horror movies. It's got like a ghost popping out of the screen here. And I got this on Etsy. I just thought it was really cool. It's got the ghost like popping out of the screen just like in the card. So if I ever get around to making a horror themed or maybe a Stranger Things themed deck, it's probably going to go in that deck box.